Okay, now I'm back and check out my keyboard. It looks pretty sad, and those keys. So I got some Q-tips, tissues, and I'm about to clean my key, and also some water. I decided to use water instead of rubbing alcohol to clean my keyboard. Well, I don't know why I was wearing my headset, probably just to brag to you guys about my cute pink headset, but I don't really need it. Here we go. This gel totally feels like some kind of hoax, because now when it's dried, it's just like, you know, like glue when they get dried and becomes this kind of like thin layer of, I don't know how to describe that, but that's what it's like. So I don't think, probably it can absorb some dust and some like dirty chunks, but not confident in whether it can kill germs. Again, if I got to review this, I would be, don't get it. I probably need something hard as well, because now it's getting dried, kind of like super stuck. I'm now using my fingernails, but it's not too easy. God, this is Special Ready's life. I've got no tools at home, so I'm gonna use a pen. Now this LED gets me feeling like a little bit dizzy. And I think I probably need to kind of like take it apart even a little more, because the gel is really stuck in the mechanical part. And this LED is completely off. I've got 3 keys that has like off LED. I don't know. Hope it's gonna be fine. Oh, looks like this one is coming back a bit. Well, in case you guys are worried and saying that I should unplug my key, otherwise there's a chance for me to get electrocuted, well, I can tell you don't have to worry about that, because the output from the USB hub is 5 volt, and that might give me some kind of tink, but not enough to kill me. Not just pretty and dumb. Ow! I made another terrible mistake. I just blew away those dry gels. It's gonna be everywhere on my floor. Whatever, I'll just sweep my floor. Yeah, it's really not that easy. I mean, it's a lot of gel, and now they're dry. They're gonna kind of getting hard. So as you can see right now, the keyboard is properly cleaned. I'm sure it'll work really well when I put back the keys. So just sadly, the color is still unsynced, and I've got 3 keys, I think 3, 1, 2, 3. The LED is completely off, which is a little bit sad, but I think it'll function better than before I take it off, so yay. So now I successfully cleaned my keyboard. Now it looks just like new, except the unsynced LEDs and the off LEDs. Well, but it's my own fault. You can't ask for perfect. And look at this. The really sharp, crisp click is back. Yay. So I like the keyboard because it's so easy to take apart. I just realized this, and because not many people use this pink version, Quartz, so I didn't see many reviews of how to take it apart. I didn't take it apart completely. Maybe because I always like perfection. Maybe next time when I get really bored with the unsynced key, I'll take it apart and make another video. But if you just want a thorough cleaning of the surface of your keyboard, Quartz keyboard, just lift up the key, take it apart, rinse it, dry it, push it back, done. You're easy. So thanks for watching. Hope this might be of some help from my failure. And if you have some good products you recommend for keyboard cleaning or some product to avoid, feel free to leave me comments and I'd love to try them all. Thank you.